While Carolina Preserve does not have a golf course amenity, over 200 residents actively play golf on a weekly basis. We have 2 formal golf clubs and several women's groups that play weekly. We joined the Carolina Preserve men's group at 12 Oaks Golf Course today.
We're in the 12th, 13th year of the club's organization. It was founded basically to perpetuate the love of golf and to increase the fellowship of the members who are in the community who play golf. The way we play is we rotate random foursomes every time we play so that we all get a chance to play with one another and get to know each other. We play about 20 of what I would consider the best courses within a 60-minute radius of where we live. We play resort courses, we play public courses, and we play private courses, such as this one here at 12 Oaks.
Well, in general, we'll have 4 different types of events during the year. The first event is normally the Military Challenge. We have 4 members of the military, leaders, Air Force, Army, Navy, and Marines. We'll get all those that sign up to play and draft them into 4 different teams and take the lowest net score total for the team to find a winner. Normally after that event that evening, we'll have a barbecue for all the members of the club and their spouses. During the year, 2 or 3 times, we'll have a Captain's Choice tournament. Our third type event is a FedEx type competition. And finally, at the end of the year, we'll have a club championship.
We conceived the idea of a charity tournament, or game as we call it, about a few years ago. What we did was ask people, when they put up their money, that half would go to the winners and half would go to the charity. We were a little concerned that we had never tried this before, so we instituted a program called the Angel Donor Program. We decided we would give an amount of money based on the number of players. Over the course of 3 years since we've been running the game, we have raised over $4,000.
I moved here 3.5 years ago, and this was the first group I joined. I found the group very welcoming. I would strongly recommend it to anybody that likes to play golf, regardless of skill level.
We joined the Carolina Preserve women's golfers and the Nine and Dine golf group at Lockmere Golf Course today.
Conditions are usually wonderful, and the courses vary from shorter courses that are a little easier to play, reach the par 4s, and to more competitive ones. Is it expensive to play golf here? Having lived in New York and Florida, definitely not.
I think the quality of the courses in the summertime are fabulous. I don't want to say a thrill, but when I can hit a ball, I feel good. I practice here and there as much as I can. That is probably my one priority. If I want some fun, gathering with people, being with people, that's what I would do.
We have the Nine and Dine group, which meets sometimes once or twice a month. The days vary. It's 9 holes of golf, non-competitive, as many mulligans as you want. We go to various courses, and afterwards we meet for lunch. And you're welcome to join, singles, doubles, whatever.